The story of ancient Greece unfolds like an epic tale filled with heroes, philosophers, and warriors, starting with the Minoans and Mycenaeans, leading to the flourishing city-states of Athens and Sparta and their contributions to democracy, art, and science. As the centuries passed, the rise of democracy in Athens sparked a fervor of civic participation, while the fierce rivalry with Sparta culminated in the Peloponnesian War, shaping the future of Greece. Philosophers emerged as guiding lights during this time, questioning the nature of existence and ethics, while theater became a cornerstone of cultural expression, influencing art for generations to come. The passion for competition was epitomized in the Olympic Games, where athletes showcased their strength and skill, while the Greek navy expanded its influence across the seas, forging connections and expanding commerce. Religion played a central role in daily life, with elaborate rituals honoring the pantheon of gods, while intellectual discourse flourished, laying the groundwork for philosophy, science, and democracy that still resonate today.